Track 20. You will listen to the advertisement on an annual mega bumper sale with great discounts and reward points on home appliances. Before you listen, read the given statements carefully. Then, as you listen, complete them by filling in the blanks with not more than 3 words. Advertisement 1.
Do you need a dishwasher, washing machine, oven or refrigerator? What are you waiting for? Get up and come to Home Stores this weekend for our annual mega bumper sale for 3 days only. Friday, Saturday and Sunday. All major appliances on sale with up to 60% off. 0% interest, financing on approved credit. You can get deals like Whirlpool fridge at Rs 1,699. No, that's not a misprint. Only 1,699. Or how about this? Maybell front-loading washing machine. MRP Rs 25,000. Now only for Rs 15,000 in mega bumper sale. ZE dishwasher MRP Rs 30,000. Prices slashed to Rs 19,999 in mega bumper sale. These are crazy prices, folks, so get them while the stock lasts. And if your credit is good, you pay 0% interest for 9 months with no down payment. That's right, 0% and no down payment. So hurry, this weekend to Home Stores. We are open 8 to 6 Friday and 9 to 8 Saturday and Sunday. See you there.
Listen to the audio one more time and check your answers. Advertisement 2. You will listen to Uto Travel Company's advertisement. Read the given summary carefully. Then as you listen, complete the summary by filling in the blanks.
Majestic and serene. Only 2 words to describe the scenic regions of Utah in the mountain wests of the United States. There are some fabulous offers on a 5-day outdoor package for the feisty, young at heart adventure lovers. On the first day of your tour, you will visit Salt Lake City, capital of the U.S. state of Utah. There is a historic Temple Square, which is home to the world-famous Mormon Tabernacle Choir and other local historical sites. Then, your tour will take you on a 4-day adventure of a lifetime to central and southern Utah, where you will hike and backpack through Arches National Park, Goblin Valley, and Bryce National Park. You'll also explore the magical world of Little Wild Horse Canyon. This very narrow, winding chasm with its steep walls will leave you amazed knowing that it was formed from rushing water and erosion over millions of years. The price of the tour package includes local transportation in Utah, 1-night lodging in a 4-star hotel in Salt Lake City, hiking and camping gear, 2 meals a day, and a professional tour guide. Transportation from your point of origin is not included. Contact our office between 8 a.m. and 5:30 p.m. for more information and current availability on this awesome and beautiful wilderness trek. Reservations have to be made 13 days in advance.
Listen to the audio again to check your answers.